So Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event is happening on 9th of February, where it is expected to unveil the much awaited Galaxy S22 series, including the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, thanks to past leaks, we almost know everything about the Galaxy S22 series as well as Galaxy Tab S8 series. You can check out my recent video on that. Now, new leaks from South Korean leaker is showing everything else that we wanted to know and also confirming a lot of other leaks. So this new massive leak includes tons of images, likely from media briefing presentation. So the first and foremost thing we can see is the Note design. This device will feature 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED curved display with 1440p resolution as well as LTPO 2.0 display, which means the refresh rate can go as low as 1 Hz and as high as 120 Hz. That is great, as well as 1800 nits of peak brightness. As for the phone itself, it will be quite a bit heavy, 228 grams, but that's understandable because it's a big phone with big 5000 mAh battery, but I will talk about that. The phone will come in both 4nm Exynos 2200 processor as well as 4nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 variant, depending on the market. Now they are also showing the 5% CPU boost and crazy 40% GPU boost, and the most craziest 133% NPU boost, which was leaked in the past as well. Now, this device will come with Android 12 out of the box with One UI 4 pre-installed. And we can see how they will flex this smart widget feature that lets you stack a few widgets on top of each other, just like iOS. But that's a good feature, I guess. The phone will come in both 8GB and 12GB of RAM options, as well as 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB of storage options. Now, as for the cameras, it will feature 108MP f1.8 main camera with OIS, 12MP f2.2 ultra-wide-angle lens, 10MP telephoto f2.4 camera with 3x optical zoom capabilities and OIS, another 10MP telephoto camera with f4.9 aperture and OIS. This time the camera module design is being called floating cameras by Samsung. That is a cool name, just like the LG Velvet's water drop cameras. As for the front, there will be a 40MP selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. Now they're also talking about the previously leaked AI integration with the cameras using techs like AI restoration, AI stereo maps, and all the stuffs. Now they're also showing the space zoom branding again, because the Ultra model will support 100x space zoom using the both 3x and 10x telephoto zoom cameras, and definitely AI. Plus in this photo we can also see the Galaxy camera features like the photo remaster, the object eraser, pro video mode, and director's view. Nothing new. And we can also see in this photo that it will have a much improved night photography, as well as maybe a cinematic video capture experience, I guess, and authentic looking portraits. I don't know what that does mean, but it's, I guess, more better looking portraits. As for the battery, this phone will have 5000 mAh battery, but Samsung is banking on the 4nm process node of the chips. They're saying it will be so efficient that it will have a very long battery life. At the same time, this device will support the Samsung's upcoming 45W fast charging, but it's very clearly showing that you have to buy the adapter separately. Yeah, we know that. Now, aside from the support of the millimeter wave 5G signals as well as sub 6 GHz one, this phone will support Wi-Fi 6E standards, which is capable of up to 2.4 GB per second download speed. That is literally double compared to the Wi-Fi 6. But we can also see how they will brag about the ecosystem things with the term Galaxy Foundation and how the Galaxy devices works best with each other, as well as apps like Microsoft Office, Grammarly, Google Duo, Android Messages, and etc. etc. In the next photo, we can see the new built-in S Pen slot, as well as the S Pen, which is going to be 3 times faster compared to the one that came with the Note 20 Ultra. But the last photo, you can see the Galaxy S22 Ultra will feature Armor Aluminum, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, as well as IP68 dust and water resistant rating. Now, if you want to know what colors are coming, well, it will feature black, white, burgundy red, and green colors. As for the price, it will start from 1,249 euros for the 828GB model. I know it is crazy expensive, but hey, it is what it is. 1349 euro for the 12 to 56 and 1449 euro for 512GB model. Now, if you want to know more about the S22 and the S22 Plus, then definitely subscribe this channel. I will upload the video really soon, or you can visit my website, link down below. Thanks for listening to me this long, and I appreciate that. And yeah, My latest Mountain Series 1 wallpaper pack is finally here. The pack has 16 different very high resolution, close to 8K stunning wallpapers custom made for modern desktops, tablets, smartphones. So you don't have to crop, rotate or do stuffs like that. You can visit my website joindavid.com to check out, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news way faster than these videos. And definitely do hit the like button and do subscribe this channel as well. Until the next one, bye and take care.